resources. Now, you are now officially entered into the PM course. I am assuming so. And which resource you should use? First of all, your lectures. General resource, your lectures. Simple point, your lectures. Your lectures on VLS portal are class notes of VLS. Definitely notes available on your portal. So this is a very important resource because when I do solve the question, when I do prepare my lectures, Sir Ali prepares his lectures. So we do refer the different sources along with the practical insights that should be used in our examples. So your notes and your lectures are very much important on your LMS. And approved ACCA material like ACCA Study Hub, I will give it a priority. And then text and exam kit of BPP and Kaplan. Now, shall I make it very simple and clear cut? Okay. ACCA Study Hub, you should not discount. This is a very important point. If I can say that MCQs, case OTQs, it should be covered from all, from BPP kit, from Kaplan kit, from ACCA Study Hub. You must need to use this thing, right? And CRQ, lectures plus Kaplan kit. That's a very, very simple point. So you have to use these resources, right? And most of the questions you will see in your lectures when you will be progressing, many of the exam BPP, Kaplan, and even ACCA Study Hub, the questions, they are embedded in our lectures. So you will be learning it as part of your lecture, right? Now let's move on. Again, resources, you must need to use the ACCA practice platform. I'm not sure how many of you had used that ACCA practice platform before even paper PM, but you have to use it. CRQs. It will help you to work on the spreadsheet and also improves the typing speed. There is no need to type every answer on the word. All the way, if you are practicing 5 questions, let's say for example, 3 maybe on your normal word, but 2 at least on the ACCA practice platform, so that you will be aware about the structure of the my ACCA platform and the typing speed as well. You will be improvising it. So you must need to use that ACCA practice platform. It is the actual window which you will be receiving in your real exam. Also solve MCQs and case OTQs on ACCA practice platform. They have given a very good set of questions. You must need to practice it. Okay. It will enable to focus on the exam window. Your practice plus your confidence would increase. Practice is an important thing, but on the top priority, I call it is the confidence, which is having a significant value. Because when you have got confidence, when you have courage, you can speak, you can listen, you can learn, and then you will be earning, right? So it's a very much important point. So must use ACCA practice platform. Now let's move on.